If you're still not a Windows 10 Pro user, you can get Windows 10 OEM key very cheaply today. Type GoDeal24.com in your browser and press Enter button to visit their site. GoDeal24.com is an online store, a rapid increasing online store, which sells software and game product at low prices and the biggest discount. Now let's talk about main reasons of why people like to buy their Windows 10 Pro key. Instead of the original price of $199, you can get the same key for less than $8 with safe payment and immediate delivery. Simply add this key to your cart and then proceed with payment. You only use this miraculous coupon while purchasing. Choose to pay as a tourist or a registered account to log in and pay. Fill in the required information. Choose to pay with C-Wallet Co. Choose to pay with PayPal or credit card. That's it. It will activate your Windows as officially activated and got the same usage time, lifetime warranty. Another point is that the customer will enjoy lifelong after-sales service, worry-free return service. All links are in the information box below the video.